The IRS will begin sending out a portion of the new child tax credit on July 15th. This year, there are two big changes. The credit has been increased for those families who qualify, and the IRS is also delivering a portion of the payments in advance. The new payments are part of the Biden administration's effort to combat child poverty across the country. Joining us now is Aaron Lorenzo, a tax reporter for Politico. Glad to have you with us, Aaron. Great to see you. What does this increased child tax credit and receiving a portion of it earlier do for families receiving it, and what does it do for the economy?
It's meant to help people who've been struggling in this economy for more than a year now. A lot of people have been out of work and remain out of work. The credit is more widely available for the next year. It's going to be delivered over 6 months. Half of it will be delivered over 6 months, so it puts more money in people's pockets sooner than usual. And that's really meant to just help households have some extra spending money over the balance of this year.
So many families who qualify for the tax credit increase received a letter from the government. So if you didn't receive that letter but believe you are entitled to this new tax credit, is there some action that you should take?
There is. The IRS has set up part of its website. They call it the portal. A lot of people used it to make sure that they would get the economic impact payment. Also, people call it the stimulus payments. There were several rounds of those starting last year and into this year. So it's a similar setup to go in and check your eligibility for the new expanded child tax credit and find out if your household, your family qualifies. So it's going to irs.gov and navigating that to find the right link and testing whether you're eligible. And beyond that, maybe you end up calling the IRS to find out if the website's not helping you figure it out.
And so this increased child tax credit is in place for a year, Aaron. Do you expect once people start receiving it that there might be a push to make it permanent? Or do you think as we move past the pandemic that things will revert back?
Well, there's already a push to make this permanent. It hasn't happened legislatively yet, but there's certainly lawmakers who think that this should be extended beyond this tax year only. There's good economic reasons they'll tell you, not the least of which is putting a huge dent in child poverty in America. Some estimate that expanding the credit of this magnitude over a longer haul than just 1 year puts a 40%, reduces child poverty by 40% in America, and that's a sizable difference.
Absolutely. All right. Well, thank you, Aaron Lorenzo, for giving us an update into the finer points of the child tax credit. We appreciate it.
Sure. Glad to be here. Thanks.
For more on this, be sure to stream CBSN and Money Watch's 1 hour special, Employment in America, a Shifting Workforce. My colleague Lana Zach takes a critical look at the state of employment in the U.S. as well as changes in the workplace in the middle of the pandemic. It airs tonight at 8 p.m., 11 p.m., and 2 a.m. Eastern.